Hello guys, welcome to Ftopreview.com. In this video we are learning how to uppercase or lowercase or sentence case text or sentence in Windows PC. Just press the Windows button and type word W-O-R-D. Then you can see there is a WordPad. Just open that WordPad and type something or paste your content like here. The all text is in lowercase. If you want to change to uppercase or lowercase or any sentence case, you can easily do that by pressing a shortcut in Windows. It is Shift plus F3. Shift, just hold, press Shift and press functional F3 key. Okay, we are just trying that. Select all the text and just press Shift F3 for one. Now it is all text are changed to now sentence case. Press one more time. Now it is all text are changed to capital case or uppercase. Then one more time we are pressing that button again. It is all of the sentence, it will be converted to lowercase. Okay, you can easily do that by pressing Shift plus F3. Thank you so much for watching. Have a nice day. Bye bye.